something stress, your Bergen County dream home is here. This renovated gem is ready for you to unpack and move in. Come inside and take a look. Gorgeous eating kitchen with self-closing drawers and featuring top-tier high-quality fixtures and appliances. Laundry closet conveniently on the second level. Finished basement for extra living space featuring a full bath. Retreat to your personal oasis with a semi-inground heated saltwater pool for summer fun, a relaxing hot tub to unwind, and a covered patio for year-round enjoyment.